Yeah, guys, this evening cook some bad curry chicken neck, guys. Guys, look at my chicken neck. Chicken neck, guys. So if fat, yo, guys, man, not lie, it fat, yo. Believe that. Some bad curry chicken neck, guys, and some ton cornmeal, guys. Watch your badness in our kitchen. Your overs, yeah, guys. I soon come back. Yeah, guys. So watch what going in our pot over, yeah, so. Be a badness, guys. Be a badness in our pot. Be a badness. Once me peel some Irish, guys. Yeah, you don't know the thing come up already. Yeah, guys, so I go on in the pot over here, so yeah. So what I go do, guys, I go throw some water in the pot now and make him go and cook. And meantime, I go cut up some ground season, the overs. Yeah, guys, be a badness. Soon come back. Yeah, guys, so I go on in the pot over here, so yeah, guys, so I go finish cut up my ground season. I done peel up my Irish so I can chew in my Irish over, so. Watch your badness, guys. Finish cut up my ground season. I'm gonna see what I go on in the kitchen. Soon come back. Yeah, guys, so I got show in my Irish in the pot. The overs. Yeah, guys, I don't know the badness going on. I got show next hard purpose, guys. I don't know the badness come down. Yeah. Show one next hard purpose. And guys, I go light up in next spot. And I'm gonna see what I go on for it on cornmeal. You understand now, read? Yeah, guys, be about this. Guys, watch what I go on in my pot. Me put on a small pot over this, done some cornmeal. Be a badness. Yeah, guys, be a badness. Drop in the Irish, them, you know. Be a badness in the kitchen. Guys, watch your badness. Coconut milk, guys. Guys, be a badness, guys. Guys, if you can't turn cornmeal, you can't cook. I'll tell you that. Guys, I be a badness in a Nicholas kitchen here. Soon come back. And guys, when you not turn cornmeal, throw a piece of scallion and thyme in the water. Overs. Guys, me soon come back, guys. Be a badness. Yeah, guys, so watch your badness. During the gum season. The overs, scallion, thyme, pepper, onion. Guys, look over here, so. You can see what I want, guys. So I go on over this, guys. I'll tell you now again. If you can't turn cornmeal, you cannot cook. So guys, watch the video, like up the video, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell as a video drop, guys. You have it, guys. Be a badness in the kitchen, you know. Stay tuned for the finishing look. Soon come back, guys. Yeah, guys, so come back on the chicken. Guys, the chicken neck, you know, as you can see. Overs. Then put chicken back on the back, but chicken neck, guys. You understand now? They look on the meat, you see? And the fat, then cut off way down in the back, way down in the neck to the chest part. Yeah. So guys, they don't know the badness in the kitchen. Yeah, guys, so stay tuned for the finishing look, guys. Be a badness. Soon come back. Yeah, guys, so I go on my pot, make him go and cook. You know what, when me cornmeal, me I taste rawness. And guys, look, when you turn cornmeal, you know if you see no rawness in your cornmeal, no lumpy with no rawness, guys. You know, look, you see that? Guys, just stay tuned for the finishing look when in at the plate, yo. Believe that. Yeah, guys, so this is the finishing look. And the tongue cornmeal and the curry chicken neck. Be badness. Guys, I be badness, guys. Be badness in our kitchen. Yeah, guys, I'm out.